Are you tired of being at the mercy of rising heating costs? Take control of your heating expenses and embrace self-reliance with an outdoor wood boiler from WoodMaster. Our wood furnaces provide safe, reliable, and efficient heat for your home or business. With our easy-to-use and efficient design, you can easily load your wood boiler and enjoy hours of warmth and comfort, all while saving money and giving you peace of mind. Invest in your comfort and energy independence today. Contact Bison Ridge LLC, your locally owned and authorized WoodMaster dealer. Bison Ridge provides free estimates, sales of new units, new and used installations, service, repair, and parts for existing systems. Financing and up to a $2,000 tax credit are also available. Act now to start enjoying the benefits of reliable, self-reliant, and cost-effective heat today. Visit BisonRidgeLLC.com to learn more now.